Let's make a DIY lanyard. We need Miyuki seed beads, crimp beads, closed jump rings, open jump rings, eyeglass holder, and a wire. Let's start by feeding the Miyuki beads in the wire. After beading, it's gonna look something like this. I'm making 24 inches long lanyard here. Now we'll add to crimp beads. And one closed jump ring. Now feed the wire in crimp beads. Let's make it tight. Secure it. Now, cut the extra wire. Repeat the same for the other side. Now, take the open jump ring and attach it to the eyeglass holder and the wire end. Just like that. Repeat the same for the other side. And here you are. All done. Let's try it on our glasses. Looks perfect. Subscribe for more.